Bonjour à tous, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to episode 4. I'm Chris, and today we will discuss how to improve our sentence structure in French. Do you ever feel like you have all the French words in your head, but when you try to speak, they just come out in a jumble? You're thinking in English and translating word for word, but it just doesn't sound French. Today, we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you the 3 golden rules of French sentence structure that will make you sound more natural instantly. C'est parti! Rule 1, the foundation, SVO. In both English and French, the basic structure is subject plus, verb plus object. This is your safe zone. Example 1, je, the subject, mange, the verb, une pomme, the object. In English, I eat an apple. But here is where it gets tricky. Adjectives. In English, we say a red apple. In French, most adjectives come after the noun. Example 2, une pomme rouge, a red apple. Example 3, un livre intéressant, an interesting book. Remember bangs, beauty, age, number, goodness, size. Those are the few adjectives that do come before the noun, like une belle fleur, a beautiful flower. Rule 2, handling negation, the ne pas, sandwich. When you want to say no or not, French uses a sandwich structure. You put the verb right in the middle of ne and pas. Example 1, positive, je parle français, I speak French. Example 2, negative, je ne parle pas français, I don't speak French. Notice how ne and pas wrap around the verb parle. Here is a pro tip. In casual spoken French, like we use here on slow French, we often drop the ne. Je parle pas français. Rule 3. Questions. The 3 ways to ask questions. There are 3 ways to build a question in French, ranging from casual to formal. Let's look at: do you want a coffee? Level 1, intonation. Keep the SVO order and just raise your voice at the end. Example, tu veux un café? Level 2, est-ce que? Add est-ce que to the front. This is the most versatile way. Example, est-ce que tu veux un café? Level 3, inversion, swap the verb and the subject. This is formal. Example, veux-tu un café? Formal writing. The secret to mastering this is simple. Don't think in English. Try to build small blocks using these rules every day. Which rule do you find the hardest? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, merci for liking the video, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Salut!